Hello everyone, welcome back to the another video of this Python tutorial series beginner lecture. In this video, we are going to break down one of the most fundamental building blocks of Python variables that are variables, which are very important in Python to understand what are variables. By the end, you will know exactly how to create them, how we will assign variables. You can easily see. So I have also added a few practice questions along the way. So keep your code editor ready. Let's get started. This is my PPT. Okay. Yes. So what is a variable means? Let's discuss first this. A variable is a reserved memory location used to store values in a program. सो बेसिकली वेरिएबल को हम लोग ऐसे समझ सकते हैं एक कंटेनर है कंटेनर के अंदर वैल्यूज को पुट करना जैसे मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको एक थोड़ा अच्छे से create करके। जैसे कि ये मान लेते हैं हम लोग के पास कंटेनर है इसके अंदर स्टोर करते हैं वैल्यूज जैसे एक्स है एक्स एक कंटेनर ये है इसमें लिखते हैं वाई एक ये है एक कंटेनर ये ले लेते हैं इसमें लिखते हैं जेड तो ये क्या है तीन कंटेनर दीज आर द थ्री कंटेनर्स सो वी कॉल्ड दिस वेरिएबल वेरिएबल आई हैव रिटन हियर variable is a reserved memory location used to store values in a program. It basically stores a value in program in form of containers we can say. So it is dynamically typed language, which means you don't need to declare a variable or its type before using it in fact. So Python has no separate command for declaring the variable. You can see here how I created it. How we will assign. So see, the to assign the variable we can use the equal to operator. The equal to operator assigns a value to a variable. Okay, you got it here. And meaningful names. This is very important for you. How to assign a variable and what meaningful names you give. Like you giving XYZ is equal to your name. That are not meaningful names. For naming your put name is equal to Ayush XYZ. It correct. It looks so good also to read the code and it makes your code way easy to read. So, okay, this slide is complete. That's it. 1 minute. ये your first variable. Let's create our first variable. 1 minute. It's not working. How we can create our first variable? Let's see. 1 minute. This is my PPT. So let's go on the file and let's create a one folder I have named with lecture to Python. So click on this and right shift click. Here you can see open with code. As you know, we have covered this in previous lecture. After many days I am uploading, so I am busy somewhere. That's the reason. So let's continue. I upload a daily video. No issue. Let's name a variable dot py. Py is here extension to run your code. If you don't write here, it not see the name variable is not valid as a file folder name. It can't read what file you are naming. You must write here py Python. This is extension for Python. So let's start how we can. I have made here your first variable marks is equal to 100. Let's see how can you can make your first variable marks is equal to 100. This is your first variable. Here marks is the variable and 100 it's the value to assign it. See, marks is this marks is variable what we have assigned. If you assign here x is equal to 100, it's completely true. If you assigning your name, college name, so make a meaningful names like a name is equal to 1 minute. I have to close this copilot feature. It's automatically on 1 minute. So yes, from here I can stop. Yes, let's say name is equal to Ayush. I am putting my name. See, here string this called double quotes. You say these are strings. This is very important to make in a meaningful name. तो ये बहुत जरूरी होता है हम लोग के लिए स्ट्रिंग लगाना उससे पाइथन रीड करता है वरना ये आप नहीं लगाएंगे इफ यू नॉट पुट डबल स्ट्रिंग्स सी इट 1 minute it gives error so it's wrong put double quotes there like this then your code will run if you are putting your writing your college name so give meaningful name to them also not like any name GHI is equal to LPO. This is not correct. Make meaningful names. Like right here, college name. There's not space. There should be no space right here. My college name is LPU. See, it's right. Like this, you can. If you want to print of bracket right here, college name right here and from here you can run your code. Let's run. You can see in output what I am getting. I am getting LPU one college. Let's run also my variable what I have assigned here marks is equal to 100 print function bracket right here marks what variable you want to print marks. If you don't want to print your college name right now, like I am doing this comment out, I told you how to comment it. Control plus forward slash is it will comment out. If you don't want, if in your not running this, so put here hashtag. It also comment out. To comment out, you put hashtag. This will come in MCQ. So remember it. Print marks. I am running my variable what I have assigned. See, I am getting here 100. So it running. In numbers, you don't want need to put double string means strings double quotes. It's not mandatory. It will run. Okay, so let's go on to PPT. हम लोग ने ये सीख लिया जैसा कि मैंने आपको दिखाया वैल्यू असाइंड करके मार्क्स द वेरिएबल ने 100 द वैल्यू असाइंड note what is not important for you let's see operators are special symbols used in programming languages that represent particular actions so is equal to is called the assignment operator. I have written here is equal to is called the assignment operator. What I have told you here is equal to is very important in to assign a variable. As good practice, always use meaningful variables so your code stays readable. So make meaningful names. Don't use X, Y, Z is equal to your name. That's give not good impression. So आगे बढ़ते हैं हम लोग. वन वेरिएबल मैनी टाइप्स. अब ये डेटा टाइप्स एक है, हम लोग इसको आपको मैं इस लेक्चर में दिखा दे रहा हूँ. इन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल कवर सम डेटा टाइप्स एंड मोर ऑन Python automatically. Some good features of Python is Python automatically determines the data type based on the value assigned. Like you can see here, value is equal to 12. Value holds an integer. So when you type check type, it gives you an integer in output. I will show you some one problem, and after that we will see in next lecture some data types. This is float. You can see here value is equal to when we write to 560.09. It gives us a float. In Python, we say float. In this, you can see in double quotes, it holds a string. What I say, it holds a string. So it gives a string in output. I will show you all three code. Wait, let's go here. I will comment out here, but here for data types. I will show you data types. Data types. Right. Let's see. When we write value, this is called our variable. Wait, this copilot is automatically slow. I do it. Value is equal to 12. 12. After that, value is equal to, we have to take a float number. So take a 560.09. Okay. After that, we have take a string. Well, uh, value is equal to, let's say take a Microsoft as the name. So we have to, if we have to check data type, how we can check? Write print function, print bracket. In that type, we have to check a type. What is the type of this? 12. So we have to put here type function, class type. See, inside that again a bracket. Type. Let's put here value 1, value 2, value 3. ये हम लोग को ज्यादा आसान पड़ेगा कि किसके वेरिएबल को हम लोग को देखना है, टाइप कौन सा है. व्हाट वी हैव टू सी विच वेरिएबल हैज विच टाइप. So put here separate names. It looks good also. Write value 1. Value 1. Let's go here. Let's run. Wait a minute. I clear this after. I will run here. You can see here. It giving integer. In PPT I have showed it to you. It is integer. 12 is an integer, you already know. Integer like 1, 2 are integers. सो आई एम गेटिंग हियर आउटपुट इंटीजर. तो हम लोग को यहाँ पे आउटपुट में इंटीजर मिल रहा है. अब हम लोग को उसमें देखना है, इसी को एक मिनट, प्रिंट ऑफ टाइप ऑफ इसका वैल्यू 2. लेट्स चेक ऑफ वैल्यू 2. We can comment out this. So for commenting you have to simply do control plus forward, then you have to run from here. You can see I am getting here float. What I have told you, I am getting here float, which is a point here. You can see this is point. In PPT, I have told you already. If there is a point decimal, it gives you a float. So I am getting here output float. Let's comment out it. After that, I run for value 3 print time. I will make a separate video for data types. I am showing only you how it works, how we can check what data types are written there. Type inside the bracket value 3. So see here. I will delete here. Let's run. When we run, see here, what I am getting output. I am getting output string. String is under double quotes. You can see here. So यहाँ पे हम लोग को क्या देखने को मिला? वैल्यू वन में हम लोग क्या रखे हैं? इंटीजर। वैल्यू टू में हम लोग क्या रखे हैं? फ्लोट। वैल्यू थ्री में हमारा स्ट्रिंग है। तो ये आप लोग को समझ में आया अच्छे से? मैं इसके ऊपर एक 10 मिनट का एक छोटा सा लेक्चर बना दूंगा और क्लैरिफाई करने के लिए। ये होते हैं डेटा टाइप्स। ओके, लेट्स गो ऑन आवर पीपीटी। So this slide is, there are many types of what I have written here. One variable, many types are there. So I will make a separate video for that also. Finding variables are references. It is for references. We see that value is equal to 100. It gives references. What is the value? Here I am writing associating a value with a variable using the assignment operator is called binding. When we assign value, जब हम लोग value को assign करते हैं, जैसे 100 से marks is equal to 100, जो पहला variable हम लोग ने create किया, तो उसको हम लोग कहते हैं binding. ठीक है? Using an undefined variable. This is very important for you all. We cannot use a Python variable without assigning its a value. यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है मैं दिखाता हूँ आपको कोडिंग में एक बार। इसको कट कर देते हैं। जैसे यहाँ पे क्या लिखा था, we cannot use a Python variable without assigning it a value first. If we not assign a value, let's print of anything name. When we print, see, this is already giving a error. What? See, read here. यहाँ पे पढ़िए आप लोग, name is not defined. It's not defined. How we can run this? See here, what I have here written. Name score is not defined. Here I am taken name. Name is not defined. That's giving error. So you have to must assign a value first. Like I will show. First assign value. After that you have to run your print function. That's name. Double quotes is very important. I use. After that, see, no error is coming. From here you will run check. Name is printing here. So you remember this. First you have to assign a value. First you have to assign a value first. After that you have to take to print function, write print function. Always यहाँ पे मैंने क्या लिखा है, ऑलवेज असाइन अ वैल्यू बिफोर यूजिंग अ वेरिएबल। वेरिएबल को यूज करने से पहले को असाइन करना पड़ेगा उसको। ये चीज समझिएगा, ये बहुत जरूरी है। ये वाली स्लाइड आपके लिए समझने को। ये नेम एरर देता है। एक एरर भी होते हैं बहुत, टाइप एरर, सिंटैक्स एरर, ये सब भी हम लोग कवर करेंगे आगे आने वाले लेक्चर्स में। assigning different values. Let's assign some different values and see output here. Assign value 1 with 99 value. This is for your practice question. So I will write here practice question. Practice question. See, value 1 is equal to value 99. Here I have written, you can आप लोग देख सकते हैं जैसा क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला, योर टास्क। फर्स्ट टास्क इज असाइन द वेरिएबल वैल्यू 1 विथ वैल्यू 99। यहाँ पे हम लोग ने कर दिया है वैल्यू 1 को 99 के वैल्यू से किया है। और I am assigned the value 1 is equal to 9 here. So let's see what's the second value. Assign the variable value to with string hello python. So हम लोग को यहाँ पे hello python के नेम से एक string बनाना है। Value 2 is equal to, let's wait a minute. I should close this. Wait. This is value 1 is equal to what? Hello python. Python. Okay. तो हम लोगों ने ये दो वैल्यू को असाइन भी कर दी है। तो जैसा कि मैंने बताया, ये है आपका वैल्यू टू वैल्यू वन, ये वेरिएबल। जैसे आप यहाँ पे भी देखेंगे तो ये, इसको जैसे आपको देखना है ये क्या है, एक मिनट। वीएस कोड में ये सब थोड़ी अच्छी चीजें हैं। ये वेरिएबल आपको दिखा हुआ दिख के आ रहा है। ये लिटरल कहते हैं इधर, तो कहते हैं हम लोग इसको, we call the other side of this what value assigned, that is literal, and what we have to assign it called variable. So you got it. So let's create a value, our value third, which is, let's see what's our value third. हम लोग का वैल्यू थर्ड है, assign the variable value 3 with string। यहाँ पे जैसा कि मेंशन किया है क्वेश्चन में ही, एग्जांपल जो हम लोग देख रहे हैं उसमें दिया है स्ट्रिंग 3, स्ट्रिंग को क्रिएट करिए हेलो वर्ल्ड के नेम से। तो हम लोग क्रिएट करते हैं स्ट्रिंग हेलो वर्ल्ड, हेलो वर्ल्ड। अब ये क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला था, एग्जांपल जो हम लोग देख रहे हैं, असाइन, ये असाइन कर दिया, वैल्यू वन को भी कर दिया हम लोगों ने, हेलो पाइथन भी हो गया, ये हेलो वर्ल्ड भी हो गया है। तो अब क्या बोल रहा है, प्रिंट द वेरिएबल्स इन द सेम ऑर्डर। ये जो हम लोग का ऑर्डर है, ये इसके ऑर्डर में हम लोग को वैल्यू को प्रिंट करके दिखाना है। अब ये देखते हैं। और यहाँ पे हाँ, जैसा कि मैंने आप लोग के लिए एक टिप भी ऐड करके रखा है, ट्राई टू यूज अ वेरिएबल बिफोर असाइनिंग इट रेजेस अ नेम एरर, नेम इज नॉट डिफाइंड। जैसा कि मैंने आपको दिखाया in previous code, I have showed to you that if you don't assign a value first, and if you print like print of name, what you have to assign, you forget it, it gives a name error. So I will show how it gives a name error again. So let's print this in the same order. To print it, you have to do simply print bracket parenthesis, inside that write value one, वैल्यू वन है, वेब राइट है, हम लोगों ने लिख लिया। वैल्यू वैल्यू टू, we have to write last value, or last value is print value 3. So we have written here all the values to print. Let's go to the run button and run here. You can see here we are getting 99 hello python hello world in the same order. See, hello python 99, hello python hello world. This is not to print, you have to not print. We have to simply print this, the order. I am telling you how to assign in different values. And if you want to check their what data types, if you want, you can check by print, simply write here, put a double parenthesis, inside that write type. So it show you what is the, no, no, wait, I have done some mistake here. In value, you have to check a type of which type of value one. So put here a bracket. So it's not give error. So right here bracket, put one bracket, write type. So it checked its type and put a bracket also here. Right here type, put a bracket, and at last put a bracket। जैसे कि हम लोगों ने ब्रैकेट लगाया और लिखा टाइप। टाइप हम लोग को, टाइप फंक्शन क्या करता है, टाइप फंक्शन हम लोग को दिखाता है क्या है, ये स्ट्रिंग है, स्ट्रिंग है, और ये सब इंटीजर है, ये बताता है हम लोग को टाइप फंक्शन। तो ये देखिए, जैसा आपको बता रहा हूँ मैं, जैसे टाइप देख रहे हैं, यहाँ रन क्लिक करेंगे। ओके, you can see here, wait I clear all, so you can see easily. You can see here what I am getting, 99. Class is integer. I am getting integer. Class is string. I have here written hello Python, which is string, hello world, which is also a string. So it's clear to you all. This is very easy. Let's go forward. ये आपको समझ में आया अच्छे से? आगे चलते हैं. Assignment of variables in action. Let's see how to assign this if we want. Counter is equal to 100. We have seen here already in previous quotes. What I have integer. I told you 100 numbers is an integer. So it's print 100. I show you. I will show you. Wait a minute. I will comment out it and write here counter is equal to 100. Print counter. Counter. When I will run here, you will got obviously 100. So what is 100? 100 is an integer. Simply you can say this is very simple data types. If you want to check, you can check also by this. Right here type function parenthesis. You have to write parenthesis on which function, which variable you have assigned. You have to put here in type inside of type. So it you will get integer int. You will simply get. तो जैसा हम लोग को यहाँ पे मिलेगा int 100 is the integer. Let's close this. I will show with a float number also. I have taken example. Miles is equal to 1000.5. Let's go here. Comment out here. Write miles is equal to 1000.50. And after that, print of type of function. What is my function? Means this variable. What I have assigned miles. Simply write here miles and go and run. Simply you will see you will get class float. Check. You are getting float easily. Okay. Got it? ये बहुत ही आसान है. किसी भी फंक्शन को आप वेरिएबल का टाइप देखना है सिंपली आप टाइप लिखेंगे उसके अंदर एक वेरिएबल जो असाइन किया वो होगा इजीली आपको मिल जाएगा. तो आगे बढ़ते हैं इसको कमेंट आउट करते हैं और एक एग्जांपल है. ये एग्जांपल मैं और इसलिए करा रहा हूँ कि आप अच्छे से समझे. जैसा कि मैंने नेम के साथ भी आपको दिखाया था नेम इज इक्वल टू योर नेम लाइक मोहन रोहन और ऑलरेडी आई टोल्ड दिस. Let's see a practice also. This is good question. Exam, very good example. So I have taken this. What he had written, create variable kilometers and assign a integer value enter. Let's go on code editor. Wait a minute. आप लोग को मजा आ रहा है कि नहीं एक बार कमेंट में जरूर बताइएगा अगर देखने में हेल्पफुल थोड़ा सा भी हो जरूर एक बार बताइएगा. क्रिएट वेरिएबल किलोमीटर्स. लेट्स क्रिएट अ वेरिएबल kilometers is equal to kilometers I have written and assign with what value entered. Oh, we are taking like minus 6. Here it is written value entered by the user. So I have not told you how to take input function. So I will cover in next video. So take by any random value with your side, what you want. I am taking here minus 6 as in output. We have to cover this output same as it is. So I am taking minus 6. After that, what we have to do, create variable, convert factor and assign it 0.6 to this value. Okay. We have to add one more variable, convert factor is equal to 0.6 0.62137. 21371. 21371. We have assigned value. We remember, always remember, this is our variable. What we are writing in left side, simply it is variable. And what we are writing right side, it is simply literals. What you are giving values. What is the value assigned? You got it? This is very easy. Let's go forward. Calculate kilometers into convert factor and assign the result to miles. Okay. First, we have to assign it miles, a new variable which calculate the both what is kilometer and convert factor. So it gives how much miles, how many miles. So right here kilometers into convert factor. So convert factor. You have already make a new variable which is miles and assigned the value that is kilometers and convert factor. After that, what we have to do? We have to print like this value. This will not show it to you. This will not show to you. I will cut here. You will get simply miles. This is very good question. A logical question means basic question I have covered in this. Miles is equal. Oh, I have written already. We have to print. Print miles. Miles. String. A double quote is very important to write miles. It looks good. After that, comma, and you have to what you have to print. You have to print miles. So you have to take here value, its value that is miles. This variable you have to write here and in this. So it would print this value. How this could run, I will tell you. ये कैसे रन होगा पहले क्या होगा हम लोगों ने वैल्यू असाइन किया किलोमीटर्स का फिर कन्वर्ट फैक्टर का एक वैल्यू दिया फिर माइल्स लिखा माइल्स में हम लोग ने क्या स्टोर कराया एक ये कंटेनर बन गया मैं बता रहा हूँ एक बार इस पे ड्राई रन करते हैं और भी अच्छे से आप लोग को समझ में आएगा 1 मिनट जैसे ये देखिए पहले क्या बोला है क्रिएट वेरिएबल किलोमीटर्स किलोमीटर्स एक वेरिएबल क्रिएट हो गया किलोमीटर्स का किलोमीटर एक ये फर्स्ट टास्क कंप्लीटेड हो गया फर्स्ट टास्क आवर फर्स्ट टास्क इज कंप्लीटेड एंटर्ड क्रिएट अ वेरिएबल कन्वर्ट फैक्टर एक वेरिएबल और हमने क्रिएट किया इसका नाम रखा कन्वर्ट ये पूरा लिख नहीं पा रहा हूं मैं कन्वर्ट ये हो गया एक ठीक कन्वर्ट फैक्टर और एक हम लोगों ने और एक नया यूज किया माइल्स ये वाला इसको ये दोनों को स्टोर कराने के लिए हम लोगों ने एक कंटेनर में ये दोनों को स्टोर करा दिया इसका ये बड़े वाले कंटेनर का नाम दे दिया माइल्स 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 एक ये बड़ा कंटेनर दे दिया हम लोगों ने ठीक है ये और भी ये अब हम लोग ने जैसे ये समझा ठीक है माइल्स प्रिंट द रिजल्ट एज माइल्स जैसे यहाँ पे आप लोग देखेंगे आई हैव रिटन माइल्स and the value what I have taken here, I have taken same as here, so I would print. So it would appear to you. You can see here what I am getting the value here. Miles minus 3.72826. This value. You can also check from here. Miles is equal to minus 3.7282260 and so on. So good. We have completed our first question on variables. This is very important. If you get the question on exam, like you have kilometers at 10, you have convert factor any value like 9.7256 any value, and you have taking you have to check miles, how many miles you have covered. So kilometers multiplied by convert factor, you will get your miles. So the programming is as it is very easy. I told you. Let's go on. Next slide. What is chained assignment? How chained assignment work? I will tell you. Chained means a chain, a combination of many numbers. Like you can see in Python, A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to X is a chained assignment. Like this. You can say here is a value chain. Here is A, here is B, here is C. These are making chain in between them. This depends on this depends on this. A depends on B, B depends on C, C depends on A. Simply, this called chain assignment. You can see chain them. The value of X is assigned to multiple variables at once, like C value. C value is 1 minute. C value is assigned to A and B. B value is assigned to A and C. A value is assigned to C and B. तो ये तीनों में अपने आप में इक्वल है। तो यहाँ पे हम लोग देख सकते हैं A इज इक्वल टू बी इज इक्वल टू सी इज इक्वल टू 10। हाँ, इस पे एक हम लोग क्वेश्चन भी देख सकते हैं, जैसे ये आप लोगों ने पीछे देखा होगा, मैंने लिखा था ये हेलो 3 बार लिखे हुए हैं। तो ये कैसे आएगा? ये चेन असाइनमेंट, हाउ इट वर्क्स चेन assignment. Let's go on code editor and write here chained assignment. First, we have to comment out this chained assignment. So take A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to D is equal to 10. Oh, my mistake. 10. You have taken 4 variables. Here you can see 4 variables are there. If you would print A, what you will get. Think about this. I am clear. You have 5 seconds. Think what you will get. You will get a B value, C, D, what? Think about it. After that, I will tell you what is the value. So see, I hope you think about this, what you will get when we run. When we run, we simply get 10. 10. This is the beauty of chained assignment. What the value assigned to this, you will get it. After that, if you would print B, so I am writing a print B, you will also get same value again because it is also assigned to 10. ये भी एक assign किया गया वैल्यू 10 को है। जैसा मैंने बताया, ये देखिए आपको 10 मिलेगा। एक और देख लेते हैं, C भी है, print C। When we print C, comment out B. When we print C, check here. You also getting C value which is 10. Let's check one last print D. When we print D, what you will get? Obviously it's 10. 10 ही मिलेगा हमको, हम जान रहे हैं, क्योंकि D का भी वैल्यू 10 को असाइन है, C का भी 10 को असाइन है, B का भी वैल्यू 10 को असाइंड है, A का भी वैल्यू 10 को ये असाइन किया गया। तो आपको ये आउटपुट में 10 10 10 10 दिख रहा होगा। तो ये देखिए, ये जैसा यहाँ पे भी लगाया गया है, मैंने लगाया प्रिंट ए 10, प्रिंट सी 10, प्रिंट बी 10, प्रिंट डी 10। जैसे समझे ना, ये देखिए डायग्राम से आपको और क्लियर होगा। एक ये वैल्यू स्क्वायर साइन है, ये भी स्क्वायर साइन है, ये भी वैल्यू स्क्वायर साइन है, ये भी वैल्यू स्क्वायर साइन है, और जो ये वैल्यू स्क्वायर साइन है, ये वैल्यू सेम इधर भी जा रही है, ये इधर भी जा रही है। तो ये इंटरकनेक्टेड है, हम लोग कह सकते हैं। तो ये आपको अच्छे से समझ में आया होगा, आई होप। चेन असाइनमेंट, एक ये भी हम लोग समझ गए, हाँ ठीक है। चेन असाइनमेंट विद यूजर इनपुट मैंने आपको कराया नहीं है, तो इसको हम लोग देख सकते हैं एक बार अपने तरीके से। एक मिनट, मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ। यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं व्हाट आई हैव रिटन हियर। यहाँ पे हमने लिखा है रीड अ वैल्यू, इसको छोड़ दीजिए। ए बी सी इज इक्वल टू स्ट्रिंग वन। वैल्यू हम लोग को डालना है हेलो पाइथन। आउटपुट में हम लोग को मिलना चाहिए ये वैल्यू ऑफ ए इज इक्वल टू हेलो पाइथन। बी का भी वही, सी का भी वही। तो यहाँ पे हम लोग जाते हैं कोड एडिटर में, एक बार फिर से क्रिएट करते हैं अपना। इसको हटा देते हैं। वैल्यू, वैल्यू क्या, वैल्यू ऑफ ए बी सी, ऑफ ए, नो नो नो, सॉरी सॉरी, वैल्यू, वन मिनट, ए बी सी इज इक्वल टू स्ट्रिंग वन। वैल्यू वन इज इक्वल टू वैल्यू टू इज इक्वल टू वैल्यू थ्री इज इक्वल टू हेलो पाइथन। I have written here hello पाइथन। ये तीनों वैल्यू को हम लोगों ने असाइन कर दिया, वैल्यू वन, वैल्यू टू, वैल्यू थ्री। व्हाट वी हैव डन हियर, I have assigned the three values, three variables to a literal, that is a string. We can simply print like this. Print, print, we want value of a. If you write like this, value of a, it's make more clear your output like this. After that, comma, use comma, write value one. What you want? Which value? Value one. You can simply write here value one. Like here we want the variables miles you have taken here in our print function, and same this you will take to value one in print function. It will clarify you. Wait, I will run. You will simply get hello Python, value of a hello Python. If you write here value 2, let's change the value to, no, no, no. You can simply write here value 1 only. For value 2, we have to write here value of b. Oh, right here, value of b, change here value of 2. Value of b, hello Python. For value 3, you will also get same. So let's go on to it. This is chained assignment. Remember, input creates a value given by the user covered in. I will cover the input and output in next lecture or after next, because in next I will tell you about some data types. Let's see some MCQs I will bring for your understanding, better understanding. Which operator is used to assign a value to a variable in Python? Which value is assigned? You think? Please think about this. It is very simple thing. I hope you think about this. The correct option first is double equal to no. This is wrong. Double equal to is used for some different use. I will tell you in further. It is very important also how to use double equal to. It's single equal to. This is operator you have done. This one is right. So C. This is the sign of not equal to. This is wrong. D. This is also wrong. D. Greater than equal to. This is also wrong. The all of the options are wrong. सिवाय B के. C, B is our right option. Mark here. B is the right option. After that, go on second question. True or false? You must declare a variable's data type before using it in Python. What here is written? Wait a minute. Some lagging issue in true or false. What is there? You must declare a variable's data type before using it in Python. True or false? Think about this. Think. You, I got it. You choose A. This is wrong option. A is wrong here. Why? Because Python is a dynamically typed language, meaning means you do not need to declare a variable's data type before using it. I will show you. I have written here. See, no need to declare a variable or its type before using it. It is dynamically typed. What it is dynamically typed? So the option is false. Mhm. So we have not to assign it. It is dynamically typed. The option is false. What error occurs when you use a variable before assigning it a value? See, I have told you in this lecture what error comes when you don't assign the variable to a value. You are printing name without assigning which error it gives. Think about this. This is name error. It gives name error. There are several types of error, like a type error, syntax error, name error. There are many types. I will tell in lecture, new lecture. No, no, no go to the. In this statement, let's go on question 4. In this statement, A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to 5. How many variables now reference the value 5? How many reference the value of 5? There are 3. How? A, B, C. These are the variable and 5 is the literal. Reference the value are 3. So the right option is the 3. 3. Wait, not blue. 3 is the correct option. Let's all check the answer. Let's check our answer. First option B is equal to is the assignment operator. False होगा ये. Python is dynamically typed. This is important to know you. It is dynamically typed. If anyone asks you Python is dynamically typed or not, it's dynamically typed. No type declaration is needed. Name error. I showed you. If you not assign a value, what it give? Name error. If X is not defined, it gives a name error simply. A, B, C all reference the same value 5. So that there are 3. I have told A, B, C. Three values, 3 variables are used to assign a one value. So what are the key takeaways? Summary of this lecture. A variable is created the moment a value is assigned. I told you variable is created at a moment before you have to print write a variable. The equal to operator binds a value to a variable name. Equal to what it do? It assignment operator. It is simply assignment. It assigns the value. It's called the binding. Also, I have show you. I'll show you this here. This is called binding. इसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं बाइंडिंग. Python is dynamically typed जैसा मैंने बताया. Variable can change, can hold int, float, string, can change type. ये भी मैंने आपको बताया कितने टाइप्स होते हैं. टाइप कैसे चेक करना है इसका अलग वीडियो मैं अभी अपलोड कर दूंगा थोड़ी देर में. आज मैं ही कर दूंगा. Assigning a variable value creates a reference to that object, not a copy. Reference semantics, चेन्ड असाइनमेंट, जैसे तीन चार वेरिएबल्स है, एक ही को असाइन किया गया है। मैंने आपको दिखाया तो ए बी सी, ये एक है, ए बी सी एक है, एक्स अलग है, इसको असाइंड किया गया है। यूजिंग अ वेरिएबल बिफोर असाइनिंग इट, जैसा मैंने बताया, आप उसके पहले ही असाइन कर दे, असाइन नहीं करते हैं वैल्यू को, तो वो क्या देगा आपको, सिंपली एक एरर देगा जिसको कहते हैं नेम एरर। आप एक्स को डिफाइन ही नहीं किए तो उसको पता कैसे लगेगा, आप प्रिंट कैसे करना चाह रहे हैं एक्स की वैल्यू पे, वो तो एरर देगा आपको, सिंपल है। ये हम लोग ने देख लिया। सो और कोई भी अगर इशू आता है आप लोग जरूर कमेंट करिए, मैं देखूंगा, आपको बताऊंगा क्या इशू है, एरर है। आप लोग और क्वेश्चन भी अपने से ट्राई कर सकते हैं, मैं भी इसके बाद नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में इनपुट एंड आउटपुट और डेटा टाइप्स भी अपलोड कर देता हूँ उसी में ही। सो थैंक यू एवरीवन।